Friends, welcome. Let's look at website tools, or let's try to explain website tools as they are used in Microsoft Words for web development in Microsoft Office Publisher. I shall go to our normal steps of trying to open up a Microsoft Publisher platform by either go to all programs and pick it from Microsoft Office. Then it will load. Upon loading, it will give you some sort of publication types. Into publication types, you look for websites, because right now we are trying to look at websites. Then you can choose a website of your choice among the many templates that you can see. We have a lot of templates here. You can pick the one that may work for you. You can still come here and change the color scheme. You see that color has changed a little. In some other frames, color keeps changing. So we can as well continue with looking at the font type. You can change also the font type to Times New Roman. You can continue with the navigation. Where do you want your buttons to be? You may say let's have them vertical only. We shall have our buttons laid vertically. Then from there we can as well say create. Let the wizard create for us the web pages. So in here it will come with a dialog box asking you to pick the full number of pages that preferably you may wish. Let's use like those three. Then we can say okay. When you say okay, we shall see that the template has already been created for us. So upon here, it means we had chosen this color and our template is now visible in the back. It is now visible onto our screen. You can start doing what the editing. You can start editing your document. So if this is what preferably you may wish to have, uh, you may prompt to have maybe some other changes. You can arrive with them. Then we can talk about the um, the products maybe that we are selling, or the services that we do. So upon here we have loaded the desirable template. Now our main goal was to look at how we can use the website tools. Among the tools that we are having, they are listed here: selector object or select objects. We shall see how to select those objects. We have this other one called the text box. How to add the text box. So if you have the text box, you can as well continue to have the stuff being given to some of these objects, we have got to see the text box. You have also seen how to insert the text, the insert table. Let's look at text box. You can as well go and click on text box, then you lay it down here where you want to add maybe text. So this tool helps us to enter text into our uh, into our uh, website. Still, we can come and pick another text box. You can come and also add another text box. So the text box, you can as well come and format the text box. We can get its color and lines. Let's get the lines. We can give the lines, then we can pick the design, the size of the line that we want, or the width. Here we can also increase the size of that width of our text box. Then we can say okay. So you see our text box has been prompted there. So still here we can come and get another form of trying to edit the text box. Format text box. When you format the text box, you can come here and choose the text box. Then you can give it maybe double lines. Then you can increase the size. Then you can say okay. So you can continue to put the words that you want into your text box. You can continue typing whatever you feel like into this text box. So we have looked at this as one of the very few tools that we can as well use while designing our websites. So you can just come and uh, increase the way those lines so that the text box can be visible enough. You can fill the color the way you want, according to the size that you may preferably want, or even the colors on your border. You can still have what we call you can the fill effect inside your text box. You can change the text box and have some sort of fill effects in it. Then you can say okay. So here we have seen that this can also be another way of trying to enrich your website. So upon doing this, you may have to to continue practicing. So this is one of the tools that can be used while trying to develop a website. Briefly, we can end here for now, and you can as well continue to search onto our page for more of these and other tutorials that one can base on while trying to learn how to design the websites in any form. So briefly, we can end there for now.